Sally's Anime Nation.
Alright guys, this is the episode 69 of Attack on Titan. Hello guys, welcome back to another video reaction. I'm Daddy. So in today's video we are going to react to episode 10 season 4 of Attack on Titan. Guys, what will happen in this episode? I'm so excited to see it. Guys, we saw in the previous episodes many things happened actually. Guys, I think Eren is changed. Maybe because maybe there is something hidden, okay? So the change from the season 3, we saw right now a new Eren, another Eren, guys. So what will happen in this episode? I'm so excited to see it. Guys, don't forget to like, subscribe and comment down below if you enjoyed my reaction. And without any other words, guys, let's go. Alright guys.
鏡に向かって話しかけてたの？ねえ、戦え、戦えって。ねえ、戦え、戦えって言ってたんだよね。
戦えって。
戦え、戦えって2回言ったってことは。
Alright.
2回戦があるのかな？
To round 5.
私は鏡に映る自分に話しかけたりしたことがないからさ。
Alright.
頑張って無造作に見えるような努力が伝わってくるし。
何しに来たんですか？
何って話しに来たんだよ。
She's a little bit annoying, guys, honestly. Imagine yourself in jail and she came like that. She provoked him. A sound argument. Alright, so what this episode is about. I'm so excited, guys. Okay.
港が完成して初めて外国の要人を迎えるのだから。パラディ島唯一の友好国、ヒーズル国。その年、清宮東人。
As a special envoy. Okay, so guys, this girl, okay, so Kiyomi, guys, we saw it in the episode 3, I think, or 4, when those kids were serving and she saved the kid's life.
見せるんだミカサ。でもこれはお母さんが秘密にしてろって。子供の頃、俺には見せただろう。その秘密はきっとこの日のためだ。さあ。
Alright. This mark.
一族から受け継いできたものです。私も自分の子に託すように言われました。
そして
King Fritz。
ヒーズル国は敗戦国として立場を追われ、その混乱の最中、将軍家の忘れがたみはこの島に取り残されたのです。ヒーズル国の希望です。
Izuru. What is she talking about? Okay. So, guys, what's this story? Okay, so this is so interesting. So Mikasa also, she knew something that I still doesn't understand what is exactly, but we will know, I think. Nothing to fear. Okay, so this is before in secret.
ある取り計らいに賛同しましたことを報告させていただきます。
こちらを差し上げます。しかし、この兵器を動かすにはある特殊な燃料が必要です。
Type of
それを
fuel.
彼らは未だパラディ島以外では採掘されたことがない未知の地下資源です。その兵器の中には、
Okay.
私は出汁に使われただけでは。
そのものは13年の任期を終えるまで可能な限り子を増やすこと。
13 years.
他の兵器があった。
地ならしが我々の存続に不可欠である以上は。
Historia. No way.
ジーク・イエーガーの計画は到底受け入れられません。地ならしの維持に我々の命運を委ねるのは危険です。残された時間の限り、あらゆる選択を模索するのが我々の取るべき最善策ではないでしょうか。
Okay, guys, I think that Eren is right. they should not stay. They should actually they should make the rumbling a standby plan, and maybe they had to make another plan. So Zeke have a hidden plan, as we saw right now, that he wants to kill Paradise people, which is, guys, so bad. He want to activate the rumbling. And guys, right now we saw Historia, he wanted to inherit the Beast Titan. Guys, we don't know exactly what will happen. What if Eren, maybe this is why they get Zeke. Alright, so guys, maybe this is exactly the plan that Eren, he wants it. Maybe he could make a contact with the Zeke. This is why maybe he want to, they kidnapped Zeke in the first place. So, and he doesn't want Historia to make this move. This is so interesting, okay? How deep is sell you for me? Oh, what? Alright, he have the founder Titan and Eren Yeager, is that you?
Erenのエッチ未だに反抗期かよバカ
That's actually a reaction?
なんで私なんか団長にしたんだよ
Whoa, guys, I have a quick question for you. What Erwin will do if he was in her situation? This is exactly tell your story in the comment down below. What if he's in Hanji's place right now? What will he do? What will he do exactly? So guys, this is so interesting. What about Historia? Pregnant? What? What? Historia is pregnant? From who, guys?
Shogun, this small oriental country, built an independent culture. It for many skilled technicians who developed the world's most advanced weapons and aircraft. It was once allied with the Eldian Empire. The crest of the shogunate is patterned made up of three intersecting single-edged swords.
Okay, so this is the classified information. Guys, let's go back. Is she pregnant? But from who? Guys, honestly, I thought in the end maybe will Reiner marry to Historia. This is exactly what I thought. Now she's gotten herself knocked up and we have to wait. She may call herself a but doesn't act like one.
何年も顔を伏せたまま下働きを務める彼に気づいたのは
The queen for
女王の
anything.
方からだった。
慣れ初めなんてどうでもいい。問題は女王がなぜ今身勝手な行為に及んだのかだ。
This is so interesting, guys.
危険なやつだからな。女王が妊娠してジークは命
I
拾い
love
したん
today
だぞ。
because the queen.
あの女は一番イカれていて頭が切れる危険なやつだからな。
Marlin.
グリーズニコロおすすめはこいつだろ
Okay, what is
おすすめ
that?
はこいつだろ
Alright. This is the same boat. Guys, did you remember the bottles? Okay, let me make myself a bit smaller. Okay, so guys, did you remember the when they were in tour? Guys, I think that this bottle actually is in there because of this language. Okay, so this is so interesting. All right, maybe this is a poison. Let's just avoid replying. Okay, it's so warm.
それでダメだった。
No
ヒ
good.
ーズル国は取り付く島もないようだ。
Out to
やは
dry.
りヒーズルはパラディ島の資源を独占取引したいのだから他国との貿易に協
To
力な
help
ど
us
しない
trade with any
そ
other.
して世界はパラディ島が災いの種であり続けることを望んでいる。それが国々の団結を促し世界の安定を担保するからだ。
Stable international relation.
じゃあ俺
We
たち
have
は
no
綱
choice
島を
but
やるしかなくて。
私たちが何者か
they fear us because understand who we
そ
are.
うだ。
This is what is happening right now in Palestine, guys. Palestine is guys, it's the same thing that Mikasa said
わ
that
からないからだと思う。
actually
私
this
た
is
ちが
it.
何者か
Okay, they don't understand because they fear us because they don't understand who we are. So guys, this is exactly the same as Palestine and Israel. Guys, they don't understand Palestinian people. They fear them because they don't understand who they are. And maybe not just Israel, maybe I'm not gonna talk about all the people of the Western countries. So I'm talking just a bit of countries. I'm talking about about England, about America. There is the majority of Americans. Actually, I saw too many videos, and the majority of people, they stand with Palestine, especially after the hospital attack, which is so bad for them. The Western media, they put the blame and stuff like that on Hamas, which is not Palestine, not all the Palestinians. It's a minority of people who are they stand to defend the occupation. So guys, a quick conclusion from this episode. Okay, so what Mikasa said right now is so true.
それが
Okay,
調査兵団だろ。
they will go.
本場のマーレ料理に
Sasha.
僕たちが平和を望んでいることを世界が知れば何かが変わるかもしれない。
This is not the word, guys, that you believe it is.
5年と
Who's gonna inherit my title?
私が引き継ぐ。
お前じゃダメだろ。
お前ら
セレレンよ。セレレンじゃけどね。
いや、それはおかしいだろ。いや、だからバカには任せられないってお前が言ったんだろ。
What?
お前は俺よりもバカなんだから、
Oh.
言ってることが矛盾してるんだぞ。
俺はお前らに吸収させるつもりはない。
なんでだ。
他の誰よりも。だから。
Alright, that he won't. Yes, he's always thinking about them. This is even from the season 1, guys.
何赤くなってんだ。どうすんだよこの空気をよ。
すまん。
Alright,
じゃん。みんな赤くなって
he's
る
so
からさ。
embarrassed.
そうか。夕日なら仕方ねえよ。
Alright. Nice. Look at this amazing sunset.
ジークと接触して何を話したのか真相は本人たちにしかわからない。
なあ、お前らにはあれがエレンに見えたか？
あるならどうする
の？ What？
奴を切る覚悟をしておく必要がある。
そんなことさせない。
Alright。
お前もそっちにつくのかよ。
エレンは誰よりも私たちを思っている。
More than anyone。
みんなも分かっているはず。
Yes, guys, this is from like we saw Eren from the season 1. He's talking about that he wanted to save the humanity and stuff like that.
サシャが死んだ時エレンはどうしたと思う？涙を流したと思うか？
Okay.
悔しがったと思うか？
コニー。
He left because he remembered the good stuffs of... No, that's not true, Conny. Come on. Let's be clear, come on. That's not right. It's not right. Mikasa.
話し合ってどうする？もしジークと同じ目的だったら。
他の誰かを巨人にして、エレンの始祖を継承する選択だ。
Eren's founder. Zeke. Alright, that's it. Okay, I think that's it, guys. Alright, so let's discuss a little bit of... Guys, this is maybe an explicative more than the other episodes, alright? We saw many things. I think that Paradise people want to make allies like the Izunu, this country. Guys, this is so interesting. So right now this is, but actually they don't know that the world is not working just like they think. Okay, so this is so interesting, and right now we are in a politics things again, maybe. Right now, what will I have a couple of questions, of course. So what will Eren maybe do in the next episodes? Maybe they will discuss with Zeke or something like that. They will activate the rumbling. Who will activate the rumbling? Maybe they will use it on Historia or Zeke. This is so interesting, guys, okay? So, guys, this is an interesting episode. What will happen in the next one? Guys, remember, please do not get brainwashed by the Western media. Just look at the facts. Don't listen to the news, okay? So you will see too many things, too many stuffs. I want you to just focus just for for 13 minutes, okay? For 13 minutes, don't go to news, go to videos, see these videos. I want you to make your choice by your own, okay? Please be neutral. Please, I want you guys to believe with what is happening right now in this world. I want you guys to know who is the right person and the wrong one, okay? So this is a different perspective, as we talked in the previous episodes. Guys, please don't forget to like, subscribe and comment down below if you enjoyed my reaction. And guys, without any other words, see you in the next video. Peace.